everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and her link will be down below. And hashtag Two Crafters One Design is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa, and Girliest Cards, which is Gloria. Next week's theme is Masculine Card. And join in on the fun. I hope to see you next week. This week's theme is lemon card, so let me show you what I used to create my lemon card. Starting out, I'm going to show you this little EK Success little flower punch. Oops. And love that little punch. I am also using these diamond dots. Thank you so much, Lady Cree. She sent me those. This is a die that was in my stash. Love it. Really pretty die. And I'm using this one right here. And from Spellbinders, I'm using this right here. Spellbinders again, I'm using the lemon and some leaves. And then as well as these two sets here, the chipboard sticker set, as well as the foam sticker set from that Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. And let me show you the cards. And like I said, last week and the week before, we have decided to do a swap amongst ourselves. And this is the last of the sets. And I'll show you my completed set all together at the end. All right, so this is the first card here. You are my sunshine. And as you see, I used some more of those die cut chipboard stickers and just placed them around the card. There goes that die from Spellbinders, the die that was in my stash. Those little dots just turned out so pretty to me. And then there goes the inside, and here goes this one. I colored up the lemon and the leaves myself, and there goes that little punch there. Zesty going across, and a little bee on top. I forgot to get that Wishes stamp set out. I think it was a wooden block that I used, and I don't even know what I did with it really. And then there goes the inside of that one. All right, so let me show you the complete swap that I have for the ladies. Here goes my memory decks, and here goes my topper and the ATC cards. So that's the sets that I'll be sending to the ladies. Actually, this goes like that, and that goes over there. And so, ladies, I hope you like what I have created. It'll be coming your way. And please leave a comment down below and visit the ladies that I'll have linked down below. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.